something, or I shouldn't touch this because of, it's a different color. Well, why? Why shouldn't I touch it? Because it'll burn you and melt your skin off. Oh, okay. I like my skin and I don't want to do it. You shouldn't remove this because if you do this, this is the action or the result of that action. Nobody's considering how it affects other people and how, if it affects other people, how it eventually can affect a community and how it can affect a society. I don't like tribalism either. So I don't like far left. I don't like far right. I don't like left and I don't like right. Yes, I'm a registered Democrat because guess what? When I first registered when I was 18, you know what? My parents were that. And I said, well, I am just like my parents, so I am doing that. So they do the same thing as well. So to get out of that vicious cycle, you have to learn more. And of course, at that time, I wasn't worried about looking into that. I just wanted to register to vote because I had to get into the military. So, but now I still remain that because there really are only two parties that will, no, well, Grant shakes his head no. I do understand that there are more parties, but I stay a part of that party because the only ones that have a chance until the system is broken down and redone is the fucking donkeys